involved. It was an
Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to quickly show you how to bulk update all your card information. So on your videos, you've got these cards, or if you haven't, you can bulk update, you can bulk add cards to every single one of your videos. So I've got 668 videos. I'm going to quickly show you how to do it using TubeBuddy. I'll put a link to it. You can get a free trial for 7 to 14 days, I think, and you could do it all in the first trial and then not pay. But I pay $19 a month for TubeBuddy, but I use it all the time for tags, for updating descriptions, for updating links, for getting better tags on my videos and optimizing them, but also brilliant things like this. So, bulk updating cards. So we're going to go to my videos, and this is a Chrome extension you get with TubeBuddy. My videos, and it's going to come up, right? And at the top it's going to say bulk edit titles and descriptions. So I'll show you how to do that in another video. Bulk edit card updates and bulk edit end screens, right? So what the easiest way to do it I've seen is find a video that you want the cards to be on, right? So I'm going to go to this one here. Let's go to this one and go down to the bottom on the right is what's that? Look, sorry, cards, right? You won't have this purple thing. I use vidIQ for this text. This tells me how many people I've been views in the last few days. So many days. So cards. We're adding cards. We're going to go to add here and see the cards, right? So what we've got is a card at 15 that pops up, a card at 30, and a card at 1 minute 15. So here's the 15 card. There's what happens. Zoa won a great deal. Here's here's the 28 minutes, 30 seconds one. I don't get to play like that one just did. But there's the 30 minutes, 30 second one. That would pop up. And here's your cards. Anyway, I'm presuming that you know how to do cards on each and how to set your cards. But if you don't, you just go to the time you want it. So say after a minute of watching, I want to add a link to a video. I just create a link, create a video. And after 59 seconds, it'll pop up with some information and show you that video, right? So I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't want it. So what I'm going to do though is edit this first one. So when it comes up, it pops up and it says, have you heard of Zoa 1? I don't actually need that. I want this to say Zoa 1, a great deal for all businesses, right? The best deal I've seen. I'd like this to say learn more, but I don't think it'll fit. Learn more. Yeah, Zoa won a great deal. Best deal I've seen. I'm happy with that, right? So I'm going to edit it. So I've edited that video, that card. That card is now changed. I'm going to change the template down here to Zoa 1 newest, right? Because I've got a few templates. You can, and I'll show you, do it via the video or via a template. So it's up to you if you want to update via template or update via this video. So then I'm going to go back to videos, right? When I go back to my videos now, when I go to bulk edit end screens copy, what I can do is show all videos. So it's this one that I've just changed. Now, let me refresh that page. I'm not sure why it didn't just show the templates. Usually it shows the templates and then the videos. So, right, bulk card updates. Oh yeah, so did I click on end screens, did I? Right, so Zoa 1 newest is the template, right? And then it's this video. So I could, in theory, copy from a template, which is the same thing, or pick the video that I want to copy from. So if you've already got a video you're happy with, just pick the video. But I'm going to copy from this template. I'm going to select all 3 cards, make sure they're in yellow, continue, I'm gonna update all my videos, and I want to delete existing cards from destination videos before copying, right? So it won't let you update a card where the video is already being shown in the card. So you can add to the card, but you can't add the same video. So I'm going to delete all card information before I do it. Continue. It's going to go find my 665 videos. And then it's going to say, which ones do you want to update? I'm going to update all of them. Continue. You're going to get a warning. Start copying. So it's going to take a while as it removes the old card information and adds the new. And it's going to show you here the ones that have worked. So if I go here, so I go to this video now. There's an advert. So once the advert's finished playing, skip it. After 15 seconds, I'm going to get a pop-up. There's the pop-up. Zoe won a great deal. Zoe won a great deal for all businesses. The best deal I've seen. So you see that it's updated, and I'm going to leave it running, and it's going to update every single one it can. There may be a few errors. There might be one or two. What you'll find here is ones that don't work. Will show there, but because it's deleting and adding. So here's, for instance, you can't promote the video that's already in the card, so the card can't point to itself. So it will fail on 2 or 3 of those things. So I hope that helps. I hope it makes sense. All you got to do is create a template or create a video that you want to have the cards, and then go over there, select the video you want to copy, and copy it to all the others. It's really cool. Going to save you time. But like I say, you'll get a free trial. I'll put a link to my affiliate link for you if you sign it. I'll have it at the bottom all the way. But you can do this all in your free trial, and then maybe not pay. But I use it. You know, it saves me time every month. When I update a video, I use TubeBuddy to know what tags to put, to know what descriptions to add, and I've checklists on every video to make sure it's optimized. I'm going to show you in another video how to bulk edit end screens and how to bulk edit your descriptions. So I'll put a link to that as well. Cool. See you soon. Thanks for watching.